Hey guys, wanna know how to enroll in courses and access courses in Geeks for Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply head towards your favorite browser and type in GeeksforGeeks.org. This will direct you to its official website. And once you've done that, on the top left you can see this courses button. Just simply hover on it. Now you can see various courses like DSA to development, get IBM certification, and some newly launched ones as well. So just simply select any one of these. For now I'll go for DSA to development. Now this takes you towards the courses page. And now here you can see you can either download the brochure and sign up now as well. So you can just scroll down for more course description and details. And if you like it, you can just simply select sign up now and then enroll for it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.